Want smart kitchen gadgets that are actually worth it? You're about to see clever Amazon finds that save time, reduce mess, and make everyday cooking feel a whole lot easier. From prep tools to space-saving helpers, these picks bring real convenience to your kitchen. All products are linked in the description below. Peeling grapes one by one might be the most tedious job in the kitchen until now. This little electric peeler handles grapes, tomatoes, cherries, and even garlic with a single touch. Drop them in, press the button, and out comes perfectly peeled, ready-to-eat fruit in seconds. It's cordless and rechargeable, so you can use it anywhere. Kitchen counter, picnic, camping trip. The stainless steel blades pop right out for a quick rinse, and you're done. Your morning coffee shop is now on your kitchen counter. This automatic coffee machine grinds fresh beans, brews, and froths milk all on its own. No capsules, no barista required. The built-in steam wand turns your cup into a latte, cappuccino, or mocha in minutes. With 19 bars of pressure, every shot pulls rich and smooth, just like the real thing. The removable brewing unit means cleanup is just as effortless as the brew itself. Rice night just got a whole lot easier. This microwave rice cooker lets you measure, wash, cook, and serve, all in one pot. No stove, no fuss, no extra dishes piling up in the sink. The included colander, measuring cup, and rice paddle mean everything you need comes right in the box. And when dinner's done, the whole thing goes straight in the dishwasher. If your kitchen counter looks like a crime scene every time you cook, this is for you. This all-in-one prep station packs a cutting board, 8 cooking tools, and 14 storage containers into one sleek, organized unit. Chop, grate, peel, zest, and juice, then slide the scraps straight into the built-in trash bin without touching them. Everything you prepped goes directly into the containers, sealed and ready for the fridge. It even holds your tablet so you can follow a recipe hands-free while you work. Sushi night at home just became a legitimate option. This sushi bazooka lets you pack in your rice and fillings, twist the ends, and push out a perfectly rolled sushi cylinder every single time. No bamboo mat, no culinary school, no frustration. It's a fun one to do with kids too. No sharp edges, no small parts, totally safe. Rinse it off or toss it in the dishwasher, and it's ready for round 2. Dorm room, office desk, late night hunger, this bowl has you covered. It's a microwave ramen cooker, strainer, and serving bowl all in one compact set, with chopsticks and a spoon included. Fill it, microwave it, drain it, eat straight from it, 0 extra dishes. The handles stay cool so you won't burn your hands pulling it out. And yes, the handle doubles as a phone stand so you can watch something while you slurp. Some appliances just sit on your counter. This one makes people stop and stare. Straight out of a 1950s Italian cafe, this retro milk frother is as gorgeous as it is useful. One button gives you hot foam, cold foam, or warm milk. Perfect for cappuccinos, lattes, flat whites, and iced coffee. The ceramic-coated carafe means milk never sticks, and cleanup takes seconds. 26 cubic feet of fridge might sound like a lot until you actually have it. This French door refrigerator gives your kitchen a sleek, flat front look while quietly doing something no other fridge does. 4 types of ice: cubed, crushed, curved, or ice bites. Whatever your drink needs, it's got it. Metal cooling panels keep temperatures consistent throughout, so your groceries stay fresher, longer. You can even monitor energy usage and get alerts straight to your phone. Eggs rolling around loose in the fridge is so last year. This 2-layer stackable egg holder keeps up to 32 eggs neatly in place, protected in individual grooves so nothing cracks or shifts. Each tray slides out like a drawer, so grabbing what you need takes 1 second flat. The clear design means you can see exactly how many you have left without rummaging. Slim enough to fit anywhere in the fridge and sturdy enough to stack. Summer just called, and it wants to live at your house. This electric ice shaver turns a block of ice into fluffy snow cones, slushies, and frozen cocktails in under a minute. Pour your favorite syrup over the top, and you've got a refreshing treat that beats anything from a truck. 2 ice cups are included, so you're ready to go straight out of the box. Compact enough to sit on the counter, fun enough to bring out at every gathering. Frozen steak for dinner, but forgot to defrost it? No panic needed. This smart thawing tray goes from frozen to ready to cook in just 30 minutes, what used to take 12 hours in the fridge. The aluminum plate uses dual-channel refrigeration technology to pull heat out of the meat fast, without cooking it or ruining the texture. 3 speed settings let you adjust for thin seafood or a thick chicken breast. No water bath, no microwave, no mess. Just set it and walk away. Restaurant-quality shawarma in your own kitchen tonight. This vertical electric grill spins your meat 360 degrees automatically, basting it in its own juices for that perfectly crispy, evenly cooked result you only thought you could get from a restaurant. It hits 419 degrees Fahrenheit without any preheating, so you're cooking fast. The built-in timer handles everything. Just skewer your meat, set the dial, and come back to something incredible. Chicken, kebabs, gyros, it does it all right on your countertop. This is the last blender you will ever buy. 10 automatic programs handle everything from morning smoothies to hot soups to nut butters. Just press one button and walk away. The stainless steel blades are powerful enough to grind spices and crush ice without breaking a sweat. When you're done, add a drop of soap and water, and the self-cleaning program does the dishes for you in under 60 seconds. It's the kind of kitchen appliance that genuinely changes how you cook. A 14-inch pizza in 60 seconds flat. That's not a typo. This propane pizza oven hits 950 degrees Fahrenheit and holds it, cooking pizza after pizza with a crispy crust and perfectly melted toppings every time. The rolling flame system mimics a traditional wood-fired oven, so the heat wraps around evenly with no hot spots. It's not just for pizza either. Steaks, fish, and vegetables all come out incredible at those temperatures. Compact enough for any patio or balcony, serious enough to impress anyone you cook for. Toast is simple, but this toaster makes it feel a little luxurious. Drop your bread in and it automatically lowers itself, toasts to your exact shade from 7 settings, then lifts back up when it's done. Forget it on the counter? It drops back down to keep your toast warm for up to 3 minutes so nothing goes cold. The extra wide slots fit bagels, thick sourdough, English muffins, whatever you're into. 7 shade settings and specialty modes for bagels and frozen bread mean your toast comes out exactly how you like it, every single time. 12 blades, 1 gadget, 0 excuses not to eat more vegetables. This all-in-one mandolin slicer dices, slices, julienne cuts, grates, and spiralizes just about any fruit or vegetable you throw at it. Swap the blades to make zucchini noodles, waffle fries, coleslaw, salsa, or fancy garnishes in seconds. Everything cuts directly into the included container, so there's no mess on the counter. When you're done, the whole thing goes in the dishwasher. 2 ovens, 1 countertop, 0 compromises. This smart double oven splits into 2 completely independent cooking zones, so you can air fry chicken on the bottom while baking dessert on top. At different temperatures, with 0 flavor crossover. Smart Finish technology syncs both sides to finish at exactly the same time, so nothing sits waiting. A built-in leave-in thermometer watches your food so you don't have to. 12 cooking functions total, meals done 65% faster than a traditional oven. Homemade ice cream in 20 minutes, no kitchen required. This compact cordless ice cream maker runs on a rechargeable battery so you can use it anywhere. Kitchen counter, camping trip, movie night on the couch. Just freeze the bowl overnight, add your ingredients, and one button does the rest. It makes 1 to 2 servings at a time so nothing goes to waste. And it runs so quietly, you could make a midnight scoop without waking anyone up. Good cheese deserves better than a dull knife dragging through it. This wire cheese slicer glides through mozzarella, cheddar, brie, and more with zero effort, giving you clean, even slices every time. Adjust the wire thickness to go paper thin for a charcuterie board or chunky for a grilled cheese sandwich. The stainless steel build is sturdy enough to last years, and 2 extra replacement wires are included, so you're covered. Small, simple, and genuinely satisfying to use. Your coffee corner just got a serious upgrade. These 2 clear glass pump bottles turn your syrups into a proper cafe setup right on your counter. One press of the pump delivers a precise dose every time. No sticky drips, no measuring spoons, no mess. They come with 36 labels covering all the classics like caramel, vanilla, and chocolate, plus 2 blank ones for your own creations. Elegant enough to leave out, practical enough to use every single day. This is the air fryer that actually thinks for you. Point your phone at whatever ingredients you have, and the AI generates a recipe, then automatically sets the time and temperature on the fryer itself. A built-in wireless meat thermometer monitors your food from the inside, alerting your phone the moment your chicken, steak, or salmon hits perfect doneness. No guessing, no cutting to check. The ceramic basket is completely free of toxic coatings, so what goes in stays clean. And unlike every other air fryer you've heard across the house, this one runs whisper quiet. A grilled, crispy sandwich from your microwave. Yes, really! This clever sandwich maker uses metal grill plates above and below your food to concentrate heat and reach over 500 degrees Fahrenheit in under a minute, giving you a golden, toasted result without a single electric wire. Stuff it with anything: cheese, chicken, bacon, veggies, and let your microwave do what a panini press usually would. No counter space needed, no plug required, and it packs flat enough to take to a dorm, office, or road trip. Pop the plates out and throw them in the dishwasher when you're done. Imagine having a cooking assistant that actually cooks for you. That's exactly what this is. Pick from 750 plus guided recipes. Add your ingredients, and it chops, stirs, sautés, and steams its way to a finished meal while you do something else entirely. A built-in weighing scale means no separate measuring cups cluttering your counter. New recipes get added every week straight through the app, so it genuinely gets more useful over time. When dinner's done, the self-cleaning mode handles the mess. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.